Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to make these pretty earrings. So, these are the earrings with pearls, and I've made this in a yellow color, a small pair of earrings, but I'll show you how to make the similar ones in a bigger size with this so that it would be quite clear. The tutorial would be quite clear. So to make these earrings, I have used super thin yarn, my scrap yarn, with a needle of size 0.95 mm. And to make the bigger size, I will use a bit thicker yarn in the more of what similar color, with a bigger size of ring here. Apart from that, the material requires this darning needle, and to stick these pearls on the earrings, I have used glue. This is all-purpose glue, and a crochet hook of size 1.75 mm and pair of scissors. So let's start. So to make this, very first thing what we need to do is we will make the base this side of the earring. So let's start. Okay, so I'll hold it this way. In my earlier earring video, I'm showing you this once again. So hold the earring like this and a single crochet, and keep doing single crochet inside the ring, and it should be quite near to each other. You can move it. You can, if you find it a little bit loose, you can move it like this, and keep crocheting till you reach the other end. Keep crocheting single crochet till you reach the other end, which is here, and I'll see you after this. So here I've completed till the desired ring size. Now what I'm going to do is I'll make a chain of one, and I'll turn my work like this, and here right from the next one I'll start making a slip stitch like this. Right from the next stitch I'll make the slip stitches. So I'll make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 slip stitches. So, or you can adjust the stitches as per the number of single crochets you have made, because we want these fallings in the center, so you can adjust it accordingly. So 10 from here, 10 from here, it will come here. Okay, to start with, we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 chain stitches plus chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, and in the third chain from the stitch I'll make a slip stitch to make a hole, this little hole. Then I'll make a tiny flower here, 1, 2 and 3 chains, and in the center I'll make single crochet center of this ring which we have made just now. We will make a single crochet here. One more single crochet, because we are making petals of this tiny flower like this, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and a slip stitch in this center. So our first petal is done like this, I'll make another one, 2 and 3, then 2 double crochets in the center here, 1, 2, and then chain 3 and a slip stitch here, and one more petal to go in the similar way. Here I've completed my first flower after doing the third petal. Then on the right side, on this side, I'll start making a slip stitch on these chain stitches right from here. Slip stitches till we reach the top of the chains. So we'll keep making slip stitches like this. And finally a slip stitch here from where we have started making chain stitch like this. So our first falling is ready like this. Now I'll make 2 slip stitches in the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and a third slip stitch wherein we'll again start with the long falling. This time instead of chain 10 we will make chain 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, and slip stitch in the third chain from the hook like this. And again I'll make the flower the similar way, and then after this I'll make 2 slip stitches, and in the third chain stitch again a slip stitch, but the long chain of 14 or 16. Here I have taken 10, so here I can make 14, here I've made 16. After that again 2 slip stitches and then a long chain, but this time we will decrease. We will make a chain of 14 and then chain of 10. We will make the falling job this way. So after this I've taken 2 slip stitches, chain 14 and a petal here, and then doing slip stitches I'll reach here in the top, then 2 slip stitch, chain of 16, make a petal coming back to the point here, then 2 slip stitches and making a chain of 14, then 2 slip stitches in the here, chain of 10, sorry, yes, 10. So 10, 14, 16 and 14 and 10. This way we have to make. So I'll complete till here and I'll see you after that. Alright, so as you can see, I've completed these 5 fallings, one with 10 chain, another one with 14, then third one with 16, then again 14 and then 10. So these fallings are ready, and finally I'm going to make a slip stitch through all these stitches, rest of the stitches. I'll complete these slip stitches and till here, and then I'll cut my yarn. In the next step, what I'm going to show you is how to make this flower, this beautiful flower. So let's complete this together and I'll straight away show you how to make that flower then. So to make that flower, we will make a chain of 36 here. I've made a chain of 36, and in the 6th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chain from the hook, I'll make 1 double crochet like this. Then I'll skip 2 chains from bottom, 1 and 2. In the next one I'll make double crochet, 2 chains and a double crochet in the same chain stitch. This is my second V. This is the first V, this is the second V. Again, without taking any chain, skip the bottom 2 chains, and in the third one make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet. So keep repeating this, skipping 2 chains. In the third one, 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet. We will repeat this till end of the round here, till the last chain here. I'll see you after that. So here all my V's are done. In the last chain also I've made 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet. Now I'll make 3 chains up, 1, 2 and 3, which will count as 1 double crochet, and I'll turn my work and I'll work in this first V stitch. I'll work 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5. So we have total of 6 double crochet, including these 3 chains, 6 double crochet. Now in between these 2 V's here, I'll make a single crochet like this. Again, in the next one, I'll make 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A single crochet in between these 2 V's like this. In the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I'll make 8 double crochets in the V stitches, and in between every 2 V stitches I'll make a single crochet, and in the last 2 I'll make 10 double crochets. Likewise, I'll complete this flower pattern. So I've made 2 petals of 6 double crochets here. In the next, till the third last, I'll make 8 double crochets, and in the last 2 I'll make 10 double crochets. So I'll complete this round and I'll see you then. So here I have completed my last petal with the 10th double crochet in it, and I'm going to make a small stitch here and leave a long tail behind to sew our flower, and I'll cut my yarn like this. So with the help of the darning needle here, okay, so now I'll start making from here from the other side like this. Start rolling your flower like this. And that's it. And now you can stitch it the way you want to stitch it. I will stitch it from here like this, taking all the petals together so that would not get see the flower is stitched, and to make sure that the flower is stitched properly, I'll make some more stitches here this way. And if you want, you can add a pearl in between. If you don't want, you don't add any pearl, but I will add because I love pearls. So final stitch here, and okay, so I'm gonna cut my yarn now. I've made enough of joining thing here. I'll cut my yarn, and the final part of this project is to assemble. So here what I'm doing is I'm gonna put this here like this, and now I'll put some yarn. I'll stick some yarn, the big one here in the center, and small yarns here, small pearls here on these, and with the help of this glue I'm gonna stick it. So I'll show you once I complete the sticking part. Okay, so finally after sticking, my earring is ready. So as I told you, this is a big version of what I have made here. So these are the actual two pair of earrings that I've made, and this is the big one. So I hope you like my tutorials. Go ahead and try to make one. These are very simple and very pretty looking. You can make it in different colors and according to your wardrobe, and you can pair it with your closet. So go ahead and try making this. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep liking, sharing, and subscribing my videos. Take care. Bye bye.